Various flowers and plants can bring beautiful color to your garden. Designing a space with the colors you imagine can be such a joyful experience. But when you're growing herbs and tending your garden, don't you find yourself trimming the flowers as soon as they bloom? Before you know it, your whole garden ends up all green. That's when yellow flowering herbs come in. They're perfect for adding a cheerful pop of color to your garden. So in this video, I'll introduce some yellow flowering herbs that are not only beautiful, but also practical and easy to grow. It's a quick video, just under 3 minutes, so be sure to watch until the end. If you found a flower you like among the ones we introduced, why not try adding it to your own garden?